Okay, let's check this thing out. Let's see if this is worth it. We all use these tools before. So let's see. What do we got here? We got a very, very cool, different colored Unger Ninja T-bar, 14-inch, with what I think is the Black Series. Let's look underneath here, see if there's anything different in here. Oh, that's cool. I think they should just make them all like this with the green. I think it looks a lot cooler than the all black that they usually have. That's pretty neat. Okay, that's the washer. I know there's other videos about this, but I want to make my own. Okay, so we got that. Boom, bada boom. Now let's look at the squeegee. You know, it's funny, because I don't really like the Ninja below an 18, but this is sick. So, Unger Green rubber. Best rubber on the market, faux show. And then it's got the green plastic here. Well, yeah, looks pretty cool. I like how they really did everything instead of just doing little parts. That's pretty neat. I don't know if I'll use this other than just hang it up. That's a sick look. That's sick. You know what I wish they would have done? I wish they would have matched the channel in green. That would have been cool. I think that would have been a really, really cool touch. Or if maybe the Uger Ninja was like in the green, that would have been sweet. Lock on lock, just like the regular handles. Ah, that's cool. I think kits like this are for people that really love window cleaning. If you don't really, really love window cleaning, you're probably not going to buy this. Now, this is the reason I think the kit is so awesome, is this special pole. I wish they would just do this with a bunch of poles, but super light. It's got the it's got the clamps there. Be careful. Careful you don't pinch yourself. I believe you just tighten it right there. Ooh, I don't want to tighten too far. That's the cool touch of Unger that they do. Little cool touches like that, right? I'd love to see more people do that. Boom. Does it come all the way out? It locks in so it doesn't come all the way out. In like that. It's similar to the end light. Let me show you. The end light texture kind of has, I only have one section of the end light. I don't know. But it's kind of similar to that a little bit, but it's a little bit different in its own carbon fiber look there. So you can check that out. But it's very, very similar to the end light clamps as well. Really pretty cool. I just like the, and it's got the new Unger poles, have these bottoms, the non-slip bottoms. I believe this is a 6-foot pole. Pretty cool. So you set that up. You can put the tools right on there, lock them in, unlock them, get your tool on there, lock it up. Pretty cool little storefront pole. I love an 8-foot to a 12-foot pole, but I think this is more for the people that just really love window cleaning. I don't know if I'm going to use this stuff. I think I might just keep it somewhere and not use it. I don't know. I'll definitely use this. I'll definitely use this for homes. It's just so sick looking. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys the Unger Transformer kit. If you want to buy one, hit me up. So yeah, cool kit. Very, very cool. I think they're like $140 or something like that. Oh, we almost forgot the grand finale. I mean, the one tool that you're probably going to use the most, the scraper or the tongue cleaner. I don't really know. You know, I don't get this. Oh, did I break it? No, I didn't break it. You get a little plastic scraper. I've never used a plastic scraper. Maybe I'll do a review just on this little plastic scraper for you all. That's the Unger Ninja Transformer kit. Pretty cool little kit. The pole is super light. Super nice. Do I have a shorty? I have a shorty aluminum one. But this is what I got it for. It was just this. Just to have this. This is just riveted on here. Copy window cleaning resource a little bit, huh? No, probably not. But pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Anyways, yeah. So I was also going to give you guys a little update about what's just going on overall. So here is my new plan. We'll see how this all goes. I'm going to have videos more spaced out. Here's what I want to do. I want to spend more time kind of going back to my old style of really having some really good information. I feel like some of my content lately has been lacking. If you disagree or agree, that's fine. But I want to go back to really good, detailed, well-edited, a lot of information in the videos. It's super helpful. So videos are going to be less, but at the same time, they're going to be better than they ever have been. So I just kind of want to hit that next phase. Between now and August, I don't know how many videos are going to come out. Have my baby, take some time off then. I'll be around for sales as well still during that time, except for maybe like a week. But yeah, so my promise to you is to make better content than ever before, but it may be less. It may be less common. There are some new things that are going to come through this year that I think are going to be really, really cool, really, really exciting and different. Not crazy different, but different in a different form. I'm just going to start a new thing that's going to happen. You guys will know what that is here soon. I think that's going to be really, really good as well for all you to get a lot of Q&A time with me. And I'm going to do that on a good platform that I think is going to be really, really cool and that a lot of people have asked for. A lot of people ask me about helping you with your business, and I don't do any consulting just because I don't have the time for it right now, but I definitely want to help out as much as possible. So I think this is going to be a good way to help out everybody, but it's free. So it's really, really nice. So anyways, that's been the Unger Ninja Transformer box. Kind of cool. Really, really cool. So that's that. Hope you all are well. Hit me below with any questions about the Transformer kit. Really, we've all used these tools before. This is pretty sweet, really. I think I'll switch this to my 18 Ninja. But how cool. How cool. Alrighty, guys. We'll talk soon. Peace.